What's up, nail friends? Today I got a clear jelly stamper haul to share with you guys. I'm really excited to take a look at this stuff and show you some designs you could do. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so let's dig right into this and take a look. So I got a bunch of polishes here. So I'm gonna open these up in a second and show you guys that, but I'm gonna show you what else is in here. I opened this up because today it just so happened that my client wanted a stamp and so I wanted to use this. So I got the pink bling, big bling, I think it's called. So it comes with a glittery bottom, so pretty, and ooh, a really squishy kind of not see-through one, opaque stamper. That one's really squishy. Oh, as like a backup, and then it also comes with the regular squishy side, so you look through that. It's like a magnifying glass. Got some big black and white. These are definitely a staple, so if you guys are looking for good stamping polishes, these ones are the best. So I have been trying a different white polish for stamping, and I thought they were all the same or whatever, but today I did take this out and use it, and oh my god, it's actually a game changer. Like, if you guys need a white stamping polish, I'm going to show you guys this compared to my other one, and you're going to be blown away. It's just amazing. So I got the black and the white, a little adorable maple leaf, a maple leaf candy, another holographic book to put your giant stampers in. I already have one already, but now I have a second. And then I got all these plates. So I've got the snow one. I think this one, I forget what they're called actually, I could look right now. Okay, so this one is the Diamonds on Ice. I first saw this one on Talia's channel and I just fell in love, like this giant one. I'm gonna play around with this a little bit for you guys. There's that one. Okay, and then there's this one, which when I first saw them come out with this, I was thinking to myself, I have to get that. I have to get that. So this is the Manisha's Mandalas. I never know how to say that. Mandalas. Is it mandalas? Okay, so this one is a collaboration plate, and I just saw it and I was like, this is amazing. As much as I can hand paint, and that's great, this will make it so much easier, because hand painting all this tiny detail is a lot of work, and sometimes your clients just don't have an hour to watch you hand paint. So I really like the fact that they made this plate. Then I got the brand new plates. These ones still haven't been named yet, but these are the lace plates. So this one has like a bunch of lacy patterns, so pretty. My clients freaking love lace, so I'm really excited that they have, like, I guess, build your own lace, and this one could be a mermaid one. And then some more flower ones with the lacy kind of one. I really like big flowers and stuff. My clients love, the things my clients love are like patterns, lacy patterns, giant flowers, stuff like that. So then I got the one that collaboration with Talia. This one is Roses Floral Garden. So I just had to get the smaller roses because I saw Talia using it a bunch. And so I thought, oh hi, you can see me. I just thought it was really cool. I like these ones and this one. Oh, and there's like a little tree. These are so fun. I'm so excited. I can't wait to play with them. Okay, and then there's this one. This one is called Full On Floral. This is Talia's other collaboration plate. Oh, this one, I was drawn to it right away. I love giant flower designs. I just think they're so pretty. And the last one here is called Sweet Swirls. I picked this one because my clients love swirls. So I just think that these are so cool. And all of these are layered. I don't know if I just mentioned that already, but you guys, if you guys know clear jelly stamper, you know that they're layered. So yeah, I'm gonna open these up and we're gonna play with them in a second. So first, I just wanna take a look at the colors I picked out. Okay, so these are the colors I picked out. I got 2 reds because I actually have this one client who has been begging me to get a red stamping polish to do red lace over top of nude. So I'm gonna do that for you guys on camera just to see what it looks like, and then I can show her what I did and send her a picture because she'll be pretty excited. And then I got a hot pink and a light pink because Talia suggested getting like colors that are similar so that when you layer them for the roses and stuff, you get like a different look. And then I got a yellows and oranges. I got a brown for any kind of tree branches and a gold. And then, so these are all the new ones. And then these are the ones I already had in my collection. So I already have some greeny blues, and then I have a bunch of purples. Actually, I probably need another blue soon, hey? I got a bunch of purples, I got fuchsia, I got like this dark kind of, it's not really red, that's why I got actual red. This one's more like burgundy. And I got the baby rose one, and then a silver, and then I got more black and white, and then this one's like a pearl finish. Okay, so enough talking, Sarah, let's get into the stamping. Okay, to start, I think I want to do a lacy pattern on with the red, because I have been thinking about that for a while, and I know my client really wants that, so let's give this a try. Maybe this one, and I'll try both these red polishes. So if you're new to stamping, there's a little bit of a technique and trial and error that goes on, so I'm going to try to explain this the best I can. So you're going to take your stamping plate, you're gonna take your polish, so I'm gonna pick the bright red. You're gonna put your stamping polish all over. Take your clear jelly stamper stamp and just a light pull, and then you're just gonna flick your wrist and it picks up perfectly. And then you can push it down, you can see right through. And voila, super easy. You wanna be quick, fast, flick of your wrist, and there you go. Wow, I really like that, the way that turned out. That's really pretty. So the bright red is super bright red. Would you guys like to see a full set of that? Like, so pretty. Okay, let's compare it with the shimmery red, but maybe I will do this one. So to clean off your stamper, you never want to put anything on it. I'm just going to use a lint roller. And all the techniques I've learned here are techniques I've learned from Talia, so I can't take the credit for it. So make sure you check out her channel. She has lots of stamping techniques and stamping videos. So this one's more like a bronzy red, I think. So place it on, light pull, you're not pushing it down, and flick of your wrist. Cool. That one's really pretty. I'm gonna zoom in a bit for you guys. So here are the two reds. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, I just wanted to quickly go over cleaning off your plate too. So what I do is use pure acetone, a lint-free wipe. So don't use alcohol, don't use nail polish remover. Like, it's gonna make it harder. This is the best way to get a good pickup the next time. And that is messy. That red is definitely staining. But that's okay, because now I'm gonna really get these out. Oh, I just shook my whole desk. So you wanna do like circular motions if it gets really in there. Acetone is the best way to clean your plates, I have found. Okay, so the next plate I wanna play with is this big rose plate. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I got some white sticks here, and I just wanna go to town on this one. I'm gonna do some big leaves, I think, and then I'll maybe play with the flowers. So I'll show you guys the layer technique. What color should I use? I'm gonna do the first one. I'll do, oh man, there's too many good ones. I'll do the rose, and I think I will use these three colors. What do you guys think? Man, I don't know. I forget what Talia said is best. I'm just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna wing it. Let's just give this a try. So I'm gonna try to line this up perfectly. This is gonna be kind of hard. Maybe I'm gonna start with the light pink first. Okay, clean off my stamper. Shut your bottle nice and tight. If you don't tighten these, they can get gunked up and ruined. So make sure you put the lid on nice and tight. Okay, I'm gonna use the hot pink now. Okay, so lining these up is what I find probably the hardest. Okay, I think it's like that. Okay, that's cool, that's cool. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the darker one with this one. Let's see how that turns out. Like I said, this is a trial and error. And flick. Okay, so I feel like it probably is better if you go darker, lighter, lighter. I don't know. Does that look like a rose? A little bit, a little bit. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again, but something different maybe. Different colors, perhaps. Different everything. Okay, let's do this one. And I think you're supposed to start here, then here, then here. No, I don't remember. Maybe it's this one first, then that, then that. Okay, we're gonna try that. And I'm gonna use purple and white. Looks cool so far. Lining it up is not always super easy, but the more you do it, the easier it gets. And then I'm gonna do white for the inside, I think. Maybe yellow? Actually, I'm gonna do yellow, because then you'll actually see it on the white. Okay, so that's how that turned out. Like I said, trial and error, lots of practice. I'm gonna do the leaf next. I really wanna see how the leaf looks. Okay, I feel like I'm really into this plate, but I'm gonna do one more and then I'll move on to the next plate. So I wanna do this leaf, so I'm gonna start with yellow. Okay, so that turned out cool. It'd look better if I probably added some like dark green in there. But I feel like I really like this plate, and I feel like I have a lot of ideas that can go along with these, especially with the range of colors I have. And these colors are not that expensive either. So if you guys, I highly recommend getting a bunch of these. These are probably one of the most pigmented colors I've ever used. And I know it seems like a small container, but a little goes a long way. Let's take a look at what I have from that plate so far. Okay, so we got some roses, and I forget what that kind of flower is called, and leaves. Oh my god, it looks so pretty together. Okay, I really like it. On its own, I'm just like, meh. But these together, that looks so cute. You could do like a full floral design set. I hope I get to do that soon. If I end up doing it before this gets posted, I will add it, but I feel like I'm gonna upload this pretty quickly, so I might not. But yeah, that's how that one looks. Okay, so let's use this plate to just quickly do a comparison of the stamping polish I was using versus the clear jelly stamper. So I've cleaned off my stamp, and let's get started with this plate. Okay, let's do this one because it's quite large. So I'll just show you the comparison. This is the white stamping polish I always use because I got it for super cheap, and it's not actually stamping polish, but it worked great. But apparently not as great. Okay, you can see that it works. It's perfectly fine. You can hardly see it on the white side, but it does actually give kind of a cool look if you do white on white. So that's the no-name brand. Okay, and then here is Clear Jelly Stamper. Okay. Can you guess which one it is? It's kind of obvious here that Clear Jelly Stamper is the winner. Yeah, so you can see why I definitely recommend Clear Jelly Stamper. Now, I really didn't know. I really didn't notice the difference. Like, I thought this was perfectly fine, but sitting next to this, I'm like, whoa, that makes a big difference. Okay, so let's do some snowflakes. Pretty excited for this. We could do some layered snowflakes with maybe like some silver and gold. That might be fun. On black. Some classy snowflakes. Let's just, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna do some snowflakes. I don't, maybe this one. Let's do a build your own. Let's do a snowflake with a gold snowflake with a silver center. Okay, so that looks so cute. So classy. So let's do the opposite where I pick a snowflake and do gold on the inside and silver on the outside. Okay, that looks cool. Oh my god, I love the gold and silver. Can you guys call this gold? Is it like bronze? I don't know. Basically gold. I'm just gonna add a small snowflake there just to tie it all together. Add a gold one. And there you go. This stamper, this stamping plate, I'm just obsessed with. Like this one, lacy snowflake, like these are so pretty. Oh god, I just don't even know what to do. I really hope my clients are still into snow kind of nails because I'm obsessed with this one. If not though, next year. Or this year, I guess. And October is when people start getting it. But I'm gonna persuade some people. You'll see me work my magic. Okay, let's use this plate and we can do a butterfly. So we got the bigger piece here and then you'll put that over top. So what color should I do? Let's do pink and purple. So I'll do the inside pink and then the outside purple. So you can clean off any extra with like a Q-tip or something. Like a Q-tip and acetone or something, so I got that extra off right there. But P.S., can we please talk about how bright that neon pink is? Holy crap! My clients are gonna be obsessed with this neon pink now. It's so bright. Some lacy neon pink nails. Sounds good to me. Okay, let's get this butterfly going. So there it is. That's so cool. And you guys, you know, you can totally put a few different colors. So you could do like one color, one color, one color, pull, and it would create kind of an ombre look underneath. So that'd be cool too. Okay, the next one I want to play with is Talia's other stamping one. This is like a smaller rose garden, so that's pretty fun. Okay, so let's do some of these roses, I think. Okay, that's what not to do. Don't pull and scrape. So I'm going to show you guys that again. So when that happens, you're going to want to clean off your plate, clean off your scraper, make sure you have no built-up of polish, and let's try that again. And just a light pull, see? And then a flick of the wrist. Like I said, you can clean up any mistakes you make. I'll do that after though. So I did kind of a black rose there. Sorry, I was out of focus. It's kind of hard to do both quickly. So I'm just gonna clean up the mess I made, and there you go. I did a pink and black rose. Okay, so let's do some leaves. And there you go. You could have more roses and flowers. Ah, this is so cool. You could do so much with this, so many different options. So yeah, just playing around with this, so much fun. The more you do it, the easier it gets, that's for sure. Okay, so the plate I'm most excited about is this one. So we're gonna have some fun with this, and I'm just gonna go to town on it. So you guys can stick around and watch. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do here, but I'm just gonna go for it, and yeah. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys some of the bright colors on black and white, just so you guys can see that if they show up on top of black. So I'm going to do this neon pink one. That's how the neon pink shows up on black. Shows up pretty good, especially if you put a top coat, which I'll do, just to show you guys. Might as well, now that I'm here. That is so bright over the white, damn. Looks good. I don't know if you guys can see it, as it's not as bright in my camera, but it is like neon Barbie pink in person. So that's how the bright yellow looks. Looks really great over the white. The yellow almost looks green over top of black. So the red is pretty hard to see over the black. Okay, so I had way too much fun doing this and made a giant mess. Look at my table. Like my glass table, I got it all over. So make sure that you guys are wearing gloves when you do this, and that you have your table and your workspace protected, because whoops. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this video on clear jelly stamper, and I hope it gave you some ideas and that it may have helped someone who's kind of struggling with it. So remember, lots of polish, a light, gentle one wipe of the scraper, and flick of the wrist, just a quick flick of the wrist to pick up the color. Super, super simple and easy. The more you play with it, the easier it gets. I used to get frustrated too until I figured out the techniques, and cleaning off your stamping polish off your plate with acetone instead of nail polish remover. That was one of the biggest tips. I had so much fun doing this, and I have actually a really good idea for a future video. I'm thinking about doing, like, I'm not gonna tell you actually, you guys just check back for the video. Don't forget to check them out in the description box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your nails long and your glitter strong.